Hello my friends, welcome back to my PopMax video. In today's video, I want to talk you through how to register using 1000 deposit from one of our team members. So the video shows how to send USDT and BNB, which is what is required to start your registration. Okay, remember in PopMax, the minimum to start is $100. And you will need to have a minimum of $10 or $15 worth of BNB for gas fee or transaction fee. Okay, so those are the two things you need. But in this video, this our member registered with $1,000 and it was recorded and it gave me the permission to share it with you guys. So please sit back and watch from the beginning to the end. It's about 10 minutes video. Register for PopMax, okay? The first thing you do is to make sure that you have BNB, you have your USDT running on the same network, okay? And then you'll now send the money you want to use to register for PopMax. You will need a minimum of $100 worth of USDT BNB Smart Chain, and you will need a minimum of $10 worth of BNB Smart Chain for gas fees. In this instance, you are registering PopMax with more than the minimum. So we are going to start by adding PopMax cryptocurrency on your list. So if you type in the Pop Social, okay, two words.
Two words.
Yeah, Pop Social. Okay, and then switch on this button.
This is the Pop Social, Abi?
Yeah, it's running on BNB. That's the Pop Social, yeah. And then click back button. So you have these three cryptocurrencies. So we are going to send, first of all, USDT. So click into USDT and then click receive. Copy the address and go to your exchange and send the amount of USDT you want to use to start.
That's 1,000.
Yes, I'm recording this, okay? That's why I'm repeating. You can see that I started repeating it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm recording it, so I hope that is okay.
Yeah. No problem.
Okay, withdraw. So click on withdraw. Yeah. Paste the address and change the network to BNB. First one. You see that I don't charge you anything to send in there.
Zero, yes.
Yeah, and then enter 1,000 through. Okay, click send. And then do all your verifications. You are really an expert now. Look at the way you are just clicking. So that is you. You have sent 1,000 USDT to start your PopMax. So let's send back the required BNB as well. So if you, so if you go back, go stay on your Mex. Because it's the same wallet address. Copy the wallet address already, ending 479. Okay, so if you click back button, top left, okay, and then go to your USDT and do convert.
I do convert now.
Yeah, we want to convert it to BNB. Yeah, because we need the BNB for gas fee. So click on the MX.
We have 19 there.
Yeah, and then click on MX. Don't worry. Click on MX and change the MX to BNB. Yeah, just type in BNB or select BNB there. There you go. And then click preview conversion. Refresh the page. Got it?
Yes.
That is you sent your BNB and your USDT BEP20, which is on Binance Smart Chain, to your Trust wallet for your PopMax registration. So if you click back, let's see if all the money is there. Click back again. And they should, if you refresh, there you go. Okay.
The 1,000 is there.
1,000 is there, and the BNB will be here soon. Okay, So let's refresh again. BNB usually doesn't take that time. Just drag the whole of that page down to refresh. There you go. So now go to our chat and copy my referral link. Your registration starts now. What we have been doing is preparing your wallet. So copy, I can see your screen again. So just copy it.
This last one.
Yes. Okay.
I should press copy.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Now go to your Trust Wallet. Click on Discover.
Discover.
And then on top where it says search or enter the app URL, click into that and paste my referral link. And then click the first one that says Google, and then you see the link. Click on the link with the Google icon. There you go. Okay. So now it's going to ask you to connect your wallet. So click on the top right. You can see top right, connect wallet.
Yes.
Okay, click on that and then select Trust Wallet. And then click connect. And then click register. And then click sign. Okay, and then select your network now to switch your network to BNB Smart Chain. So select BNB Smart Chain. Okay, now if you click on the purple button, the one in the middle, no, can you see home, team? Can you see home and team bottom?
Yes.
Okay, the next one after team, that big button there, click on it. Yeah. Okay, now if you select 360 days, that's the one that is going to earn you 1% on a daily basis. And then select the automatic proportioning button. Click on that.
Automatic.
Yeah, automatic proportioning button. It's right in front of you above the 360. Okay, and then now enter 1,000 in that box where it says USDT. Click into that 0 and enter 1,000. Okay, and then now keep scrolling. So now select that approve button. Just drag that arrow from left to right. Okay, and it's going to ask your wallet to confirm and approve and enter your password. So click approve. And then give it a few minutes. And then click approve. And then give it a few minutes and then select the button again from left to right.
Yes, I'm there.
Okay. And then it's going to ask you to approve again. So click approve. Yay! Congratulations. You have just completed your registration in PopMax. So after you have completed your registration, what next? I will ask you to click view NFT benefits and then read those 3 paragraphs. So scroll down. There are 3 paragraphs there. Read them out so that you will understand where and how you are going to benefit from this platform.
I've clicked on income.
Okay. So on income, what time is it now? It's 1946. On your mobile phone, it says 1946. Am I correct?
1946. Yes.
Okay. So in the next 24 hours, around this time tomorrow, 1946, see those 00, those green 00.
Yes, sir.
Those ones are going to change to your daily earnings. Yes, you will now receive your first profit. And then after that, every 24 hours, you will receive your profit. And everything is compounded on a daily basis, as you have read from that information. Yeah. They've told you that everything is compounded automatically. You do not have to do anything.
Anything.
Okay, so this is where you see your profit on a daily basis. You have seen all the tutorials that I have done with him, all the teaching, showing him how to send money from an exchange to the trust wallet that he used to register. Okay, remember, in PopMax you can use any decentralized wallet to register for this platform. So you can use Trust Wallet, MetaMask Wallet, SafePal Wallet, Bitgate Wallet, or Token Pocket. Any of these wallets that are decentralized will be able to assist you in the registration. So you have seen everything today, and I wish you good luck. For those of you that are looking to join PopMax with me, the link to do so is below this video description. Every day I am getting sign-ups. People are joining every day because they believe in this platform, which we are earning 1% daily. So if you would like to join, the link to do so is below this video description. Remember, I have done a video on how to register. So watch the video and follow all the steps below this video description. If you are struggling, let me know. I will jump on the call, just like what I did with this our team member, and I will talk you through how to register. So let's go and get started. Let's continue to enjoy our 1% daily profit from this great platform. Thank you. God bless.